Hey Doug, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 BMW R1200R, which has just below 4,000 kilometers on it. Price is 15,888 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle was a demo at the BMW, so all the services are done at the BMW Maranello. Has engine guards here. It's a fully loaded, actually. Has a heated grips, has a cruise control, adjustable suspension, cruise control is right here. There's a riding modes, ABS, traction control. This is a GPS ready, so you can just put the GPS. They don't come with a GPS as a brand new ones as well, but as a GPS ready, so when you plug the GPS in it, you can use this dial here to change the settings in it too. So the bike is here, it's available. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. You can come in to take a look. There's a cable to charge the battery, and that's pretty much everything. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.